Thank you for choosing Univest Remote Deposit Capture. Let's start by navigating to the Remote Capture site. A direct link is included in your download instructions, or you can start at Univest homepage, www.univest.net. Now click Login in the top right, Cash Management, Remote Deposit Capture. Now proceed to the Remote Capture login site. We recommend you bookmark this page or add it to your favorites for ease of access. Now log in using the credentials provided. If this is your first time logging in, you will be prompted to create a new password. Prior to connecting the scanner, you must download the required software. Please follow these steps to download the scanner driver and WebScan application. Begin at the Documentation tab, the lower left-hand side of the screen. The scanner driver will correlate to your scanner model. Your cash management representative will communicate your specific scanner type. For the purposes of this video, we will download the digital check driver. Click the driver installation package. Now run the driver download and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Please make sure your scanner is disconnected before completing these steps. The driver download is now finished. Next, download the WebScan application. Click Documentation, choose WebScan, click WebScan MSI, and run the application download. Some of you may receive this alert. Microsoft Visual C++ is a prerequisite to the WebScan application. If your computer does not have C++, you will be prompted to download that program first. Please answer yes to this prompt and run the required download. Agree to the terms and conditions and install. C++ is now successfully installed. Please continue by returning to the WebScan download. Select WebScan MSI, and run the application download, and follow the prompts. The WebScan post-install config box will open. Fill in these fields with the corresponding information from your download instructions. Click Add Domain and Next to continue with the download. The WebScan download is now complete. You should have the software necessary to start scanning your deposits. You can connect your scanner and prepare for your first deposit. If you have any questions or problems following these download instructions, please call the Univest Cash Management team at 267-695-3999. Thank you.